Hello everyone, today we got the Samsung Galaxy SFE. This screen is broken and we are going to replace aftermarket place. This is not the original place that we are going to replace. Alright, you can see this device has been opened before. This stickers, glue stickers, comes some of it to the frame. It doesn't matter for us because the customer already know that it was broken. Alright, let's now remove all the screws. Always don't forget to remove the SIM card tray because we are going to transfer the mainboard to the new frame. Be careful while you are removing the charging wireless. We don't need to damage it. Alright, let's now remove the shielding, the top shielding. As I told you, the adhesive, it's not really necessary. Oh, we forgot one screw there. That's why the plastic shield didn't remove easily. And there is nothing else. You can now lift it up. But be careful not to damage that plastic. Alright, let's unplug the battery first, the flex cable, and remove the loudspeaker. This plastic contains the loudspeaker. Also, there is one screw down. I don't know how I didn't see them. Maybe because of that blue sticker. Alright, we don't need that because we are going to transfer to new one. We order a screen with the frame, so we are going to remove all the parts from this housing, everything. You can remove the mainboard with the cameras. This camera, the top camera, was stuck in there, so you have to remove it carefully. I'm not going to use the screw, I'm going to use something else. This screwdriver is very expensive. I don't need to damage it, so we have tools to do our job. Sorry for the hair was in front of the camera. That sometimes happen because I recorder and the camera top of the phone. But it was the camera that stuck in there. Alright, let's now remove the down cable, connected the subboard, remove, this is the screen flex cable, comes from under it, remove the sensor fingerprint flex cable. Remember the not original screens maybe not support fingerprint on the screen, and you may have issue also with the sensor, the front sensor. This sensor is very important sometimes when you make a calls. The screen got off when you put the phone in your ears, because the phone didn't touch anything else. So this sensor may not work if the screen is not original. Now I'm going to remove the battery. This is the alcohol I put under the battery So in this way we can remove the battery easier and safer. We don't need to damage that battery or bend it or hole it, because it may make explosion. So this is very important to be careful always with the battery. It's not kidding there. Alright, this is the new screen. You can see this screen is black. This device comes with colors, so there is no longer colors for the customers. We have the back is I don't know what this color means. It's blue, light blue maybe, or turquoise. No, not turquoise. Alright, let's put the subboard, the mainboard. Also don't forget, I forgot something there, but I didn't forget it first because I just wanted to test the screen. After that I can put everything in and then I can assemble and finish the job. That's why I forget the vibrator. It's right there. It's in the old screen in the bottom. You can see it. It's a circle. It's always important to test the new screens before doing the full assembly. Sometimes the screen may be damaged, so we don't need to do our job twice. The phone has power on, the screen seems working, but we are going to test the touch screen. And that's it. You can see I remove the vibrator now. So we have something in there. I don't know what is that, but also I'm going to transfer. Alright, the device has turned on. I test the touches and everything was fine. I'm also going to transfer this shield. This one for the loudspeaker. It's important because we don't need the dust goes into the loudspeaker, so it's better to put it there. The new one doesn't comes with this one, but the original one it should came with this one. Alright, I think I'm done putting everything. Remove this sticker because there is going to the ear speaker goes there. Don't forget anything. Put everything in place and that's it. I think our job has been done. If you have any questions, you can just leave it in the comments below. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.